Hey lovelies, so one of the most annoying projects is LayerEdge. LayerEdge is so frustrating from mining, and now our proof of humanity is now frustrating almost everyone. Now I've been trying for over 3 days to do my proof of humanity and it wasn't going, and today is the last day for me to do that, for us to do that. So I've been trying to find my way around it. I've done that Transgate, I've tried to use VPN, I've done what hasn't everything, and it wasn't going. And so I got this trying my way around this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come here and you need to download Transgate and your MetaMask. My MetaMask already installed. I just click on open, and then once you click on open, it's going to take you to your MetaMask dashboard, just the way you are seeing it. Just follow the tutorial the way it's going, and you're going to get access to doing your proof of humanity for LayerEdge. I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to click on this discover. I'll click on this icon here, and then I'm going to paste the LayerEdge proof of humanity URL in the discover search bar. Just here, I'll come there and I'll paste the URL there. Once it brings you to this page, you just need to come here and you're going to click on connect wallet. Now I'm going to show you what to do. Once you click any of this, to bring it to connect wallet. To pop up this, after you click on connect wallet and you click add this network, and if after adding network, you're going to see that your wallet is already connected. And see it's connected there. You see wallet is connected. Next task is to do a proof of humanity. If you scroll up like this, you're going to select where you want to verify. You want to verify on Binance, you want to verify on Uber Rides, you want to verify with KuCoin, and on like that. So I want to do my verification with Bybit. So click on the verify option that is here. Then before now, make sure you've downloaded your Transgate app. Downloading your Transgate app, we are going to make sure that when it brings you to this page, contrary to popular opinion, don't come here and download and click on any of this again, because you have already downloaded the Transgate app. So you don't need to come here again to re-download or to take it to your Play Store, your App Store. What you need to do is to come here and click on these three signs here. Click on that three icon there, and you're going to select open in browser. You click on this place that shows open in browser, and once you click on open in browser, it's going to take you by itself to your Transgate and take you like this to your Zcade pass. You will see, then it's going to bring this here. This is how simple it is for you to do it. They are going to come and say, see, Bybit, when you successfully log in, please click the start button to initiate the verification process. Condition to satisfy Bybit. You see, this process is easier. There's no two way about it. I'm going to click it and shows okay. It's going to bring you here. Make sure that you have done your level 2 verification on Bybit. If you have not done that, it is not going to work. So that is the only way it's going to work. So you must make sure you're doing level 2 verification on Bybit. Then once it brings you here, you're going to make sure you put on your VPN. Make sure you put on your VPN. Make sure you put on your VPN. Now, I'm saying this all over and over again, because when you come to the comment section and say it did not work, I will know exactly what to do that did not work. Number one, you're using your MetaMask app, your wallet. Number two, make sure you download the Transgate before you even start the process. Number three, follow the video the way I stated it, and you're not going to have any issues. You're not going to have any issues doing this. So come here and enter your email address when you're using for your Bybit, and you enter your password. So I'm going to do that right now off camera, and I'll get back to the video. Come here and you're going to enter your password, and you're going to log in. Enter your email address and your password and log in. If you do not put on your VPN, it is not going to load like this. You're going to see failed. So after you put on your VPN, you come here and you click on refresh to refresh that. It's going to load this dashboard. So I'm going to come here and enter my password for my Bybit account. Then if you're using tunnel beer VPN, make sure you select Nigeria. Don't select any other country, select your own country, Nigeria. So I'm doing this especially for my for my Nigerian subscribers, and those of you that are not Nigerian subscribers, make sure you are selecting your country. If you're using a VPN, then you're going to come down here and you're going to enter your two-factor authentication code if you did that. So I did that, and I'm going to just input that, and now it's going to log you in like this. It's just going to load in just the way you see it loading in. Make sure you are on level 2 of your Bybit verification. Now you see this has worked. This is not a cut and join video. No, I've shared the whole process with you. If you do the whole process completely the way I've done it, it's going to work for you. You can see here it's showing my name. If you have been watching my videos on YouTube, you know that this is my name on Bybit. Then you see I've done my verification, level 1 verification, level 2 verification on Bybit, and then my other details are here on Bybit. You can see it. You can see this. Do is you want to come here and you're going to click on this particular place that is showing P, and you're going to click on verify, and it's going to show you connecting with Zkit Pass mode starting. It will bring you back again to your MetaMask. You go over as if you want to do the search again. So you go back to the same website and you come back to your Bybit again. So click on verify, just like as you see me doing. You click on verify again. Now you need to have a very strong network, and you need to be in a place that the network is stable. If your network is not stable, you're going to have so many glitches. Trust me, I've been there, I've walked that route. That's the reason why I'm telling you, if your network isn't stable, you're going to have so many glitches. It takes you back to your MetaMask. You go back to your discover. You search again for poh.layeredge.io. Then you will go again and click on verify with Bybit or with a particular exchange you want to use. You allow it take you back again to the dashboard where it will ask you to download your transgates or not, and then you select open in browser just as you did before. Then it will now bring you back against your transgate, and you're going to see it just like this. Trust me, if you do it this way, you're not going to have issues with your verification. It's going to go this time around. This is legit. This works 100%. So all you need to do is just make sure you have your MetaMask installed. Make sure you have a stable network. Download your transgate. Have your VPN. I use tunnel beer, and connect VPN to your country. So if you're in Nigeria, connect to Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, connect to your country of residence, and then do exactly what I've shown you in this video. It is going to work 100%. If you have any challenge before midnight, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to walk you through the process. So you see, congratulations. It shows me congratulations, Bybit KYC, congratulations. So I did all this with my mobile device, and I'm just going to click on OK. And you see it here that it's showing here that it is confirmed. This is Bybit, right? So I'm still going to go back to my MetaMask, and then I'm going to refresh it to be sure that it has worked. Although it's showing here, then I will log out of my MetaMask and wait for about 30 seconds or 30 minutes, and I'll come back again to refresh the app to show that it has already worked.